On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Colorful pennants. A window. In front of. There are colorful pennants in front of the window. A teepee. A striped cushion. Behind. There is a teepee behind the yellow striped cushion. Colorful building blocks. A green dinosaur. Next to. There are colorful building blocks next to the dinosaur. A rock. A green dinosaur. Under. There is a rug under the green dinosaur. A truck. A bookcase. At the top of. There is a truck at the top of the bookcase. A striped cushion. The floor. On. There are two striped cushions on the floor. A basket. A cabinet. A crib. Between. There is a basket between the cabinet and the crib. A crib. A bookcase. Under. There's a crib under the bookcase. A green dinosaur. A rug. On. There's a green dinosaur on the rug. Well done, everyone! Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.